one of camping. The heck? And so sorry for the background noise. Just ignore it, okay? Kids, we're gonna go to camping. Why, Dad? There's like bears and snakes and polar bears. Just, just deal with it. I'm scared. Yeah. I don't know. Honey, we're going camping. Yay, camping! What, are you excited? Yeah, we all want to go to camping. Yeah, maybe in the van. Yay! Go to this Sarah and Claire and Eric. Go to Sarah. Sarah! What, Dad? We're going camping. What? I hate bears! Oh my god. Claire, you're going camping. Ah! Eric. Where is Eric? He must be in the van now. That is fun. Another. Let's go. Go there. Yeah. Okay, guys. Is everyone here? Yeah, even though the babies. Okay, let's have a treat. So far. Okay, guys, we're here camping. It would be so gross. Ooh, this is so disgusting. I almost threw up. Same. Be with you. Come on, guys, let's just have some fun. The toddler's here. I'm still so sorry about the background music. Um, how are you up there? I know. Oh, that's it. I'm scared. Good. This is ours. And oh, there's a credit card. Yeah, that's for free. What's a credit? There's $0. Oh my god. Go. Bro! Where is Sarah? Sarah is nowhere. Where is she? Wait, guys. Oh, I found Sarah. Sorry. Oh, okay, let's go to our spot here. Come on, Clara. I'm not Clara, I'm Claire. Let's go to the teenagers. How are you floating? I don't know. Fine. I will not sit. Yes, if Oh my god. Mom, I'm hungry. There is food in there. I ain't know. This is just acting comfy. Bruh. Bro, can you be quiet for 1 second? Shut up. Quit just yapping. Wow. Wow. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna. Okay, finally. It's not even working. No, fine, it's not. I'm just gonna fart. Ew, that's disgusting. Fine, I'm just gonna bathe here because there's water. This is so disgusting. I almost barfed. Bleh. Come back for part